So hello everyone. My name is Kunal and I'm your mathematics tutor and we're actually doing differential equation. Today is our eighth lecture on differential equation. So let me recap the things कि हमने अब तक क्या-क्या cover कर चुके हैं. So okay. So we all know about LDE, linear differential equation, Bernoulli's, polar representation and all. So first, in today's class, we will deal with trajectories. Before going to trajectory, I want to solve some standard problem, which are actually important for exam point of view. So, okay, let's start with some problem. So our first problem is something like we have to solve the differential equation. Solve the differential equations. इसमें पहली problem है something like there is 1 plus xy into y dx plus 1 minus xy into x dy is equal to 0. Okay, so here and the second problem is something look like x plus 1 into y by x plus sine y dx plus x plus cos x x plus ln x, sorry. There will be like x plus log of x and there will be like x of cos y. Dy is equal to 0. So these are the first two problems that we have to solve. And then we move to our new topic, which is actually trajectory. Okay, so my suggestion is to pause the video and try to solve it by own and then match the answer. So let's solve this first question. So look at here, what I have to do here is, first I have to convert these, first I have to simplify this. Okay, so let me take the product here. So here we get y dx plus x dy plus x y square dx. And here we will get minus x square y dy is equal to 0. And we all know that the d of xy, okay, the d of xy will be something merged to, like this is the whole term, we can write it as d of xy. And right, and the rest of the term we can write it as like something x of y dot y square into y dx minus x dy and divided by y square is equal to 0. Okay, so we can write this whole term as like this term written as d of xy and plus this term we can write it as x of y cube, but d of this whole term we can write it as d of x by y. We already deal with this thing in direct differential equation, and this is equal to 0. Right now, in previous class we all deal with one thing. So let me show you again. If anywhere you find such like this xy to the power m and d of xy plus x by y to the power n, d of x by y is equal to 0. So we have to solve this equation and try to find the value of whatever we have. Actually, we have like n minus m we have 1 and minus n minus m we have 3. So from there we will get n is equal to minus 1 and m is equal to minus 2. So actually we have to find the value of like x y to the power minus 2 dx of y plus x by y to the power minus 1 d of x by y equal to 0. Okay. So here what we will get, here we will get when you solve this, so this is actually the differentiation of minus 1 by x by. And this is the actual differentiation of ln x by y. So ln x by y plus some constant. So this is our final solution. Okay. So actually we have to write it here. The minus 1 by xy plus ln x by y plus some constant is the general solution of differential equation. What is here? Let me select that. So this is actually the solution of this differential equation. Okay. So we can write into this one. Now let's move on to the second problem. What is it? This is actually written as x plus y, 1 plus xy, and ln x1, right? Okay. So let's try to solve this question. Okay, so let me write it here again. So it will be like our next question is x plus 1 into y by x plus sine of y into dx plus x plus ln of x plus x of cos y dy is equal to 0. Okay, so let me try to solve it. And it is actually easy question, so nothing to worry about. So first what we have to do, open this. So when we open this, what we get? We get sine y dx plus x of cos y dy plus x plus 1 y by x dx plus x plus ln x dy is equal to 0. Okay. Now what I have to do here is I have to write here d of sine of actually d of x of sine of xy, d of x sine y plus d of xy plus d of y ln x is equal to 0. So here we can write it as x of sine y plus x of y and plus y of ln x is equal to some constants. So this is the actually x of sine y plus xy plus y of ln x is the general solution for differential equation x plus 1 y by x plus sine of y dx plus x of x plus ln x plus x of cos y dy. So this is the actually final solution. Okay. So let's move on to the last topic of differential equation, which is actually the trajectories. Okay. So actually today is the last lecture of differential equation. So let me start the new name. Let's start it. So what is trajectory here is so a curve which cuts every member of a given family of curves according to given rule. According to given rule is called trajectories. Okay, is called trajectories of a given family. I hope this will clear to you. Now we have to find like what is the types of trajectories. So actually there were two types. The first one is isogonal traj and the second one is orthogonal traj. Traj is the short form abbreviation of trajectory. So try to remember it. Okay. So let's start it. So what I'm trying to do here is key we are actually first defining the thing key what is actually uh, isogonal trajectory and all. So let me define it here. So the isogonal trajectory. So the isogonal trajectory is a trajectory trajectory which cuts the member of family of curve at the constant angle. Trajectory cuts the every member of family at constant angle. Okay. So this is known as actually isogonal trajectory. Basically any trajectory which cuts the family of curves at constant angle is isogonal. The next thing is orthogonal, basically which cuts at 90 degree. So let me define it here. The orthogonal traj. So what is actually orthogonal trajectory? So orthogonal trajectory of a given curve is defined to be a curve which cuts every member of a given family at 90 degree. Okay, which cuts the every member of a given family at 90 degree. That's it. Which cuts the every member of family curves at 90 degree. Okay. So this is a thing that is actually the definition of isogonal and orthogonal trajectory. So let me tell you how to use this thing uh, in form of questions, right? So these are the actually basic definition कि देखो ट्रेजेक्टरीज क्या होते हैं ना कि कोई भी अगर कर्व दी हुई है, ठीक है, फैमिली ऑफ कर्व, तो उन सारे कर्व को कट करने वाला एक एक इक्वेशन होगा, ठीक है, एक क्या होगी इक्वेशन होगी, एक और कर्व होगा लाइक लेट मी शो यू एग्जांपल like look at suppose that this is our family of curve, okay, and there is a curve which cuts the all of the curve at a constant angle. So this is actually the trajectory, and if this trajectory cuts each and every member of the curve at the 90 degree angle, okay, at 90 degrees, so those type of trajectory were called as orthogonal trajectory. Okay, so these are the things that we have to uh, get through in mind. Okay, so let's look at some example and try to understand what I'm trying to say. So our first example is something like let me write it here. So we have to find the OT. That means find the orthogonal trajectory. Okay, so find the orthogonal trajectories of the following. The first question is x square minus y square is equal to k square. So whenever you have to a question like to find the orthogonal trajectory, so there is a rule. So let me write here the rule is. The rule is the first rule. First, find differential equation of given family of curve. Second, replace dy by dx by minus dx by dy and then solve to get the orthogonal trajectory and then solve to get orthogonal trajectory. Okay, so this is the actually method to find the trajectories of the curve, orthogonal trajectory. So let me take you the first question, which is actually as x square minus y square is equal to k square. So you have to find the orthogonal trajectory, right? So what I have to do first, we have to create the differential equation. So do that dy by dx. So 2x minus 2y dy by dx is equal to 0. So here we will get dy by dx is equal to x by y. This is our first equation. Now what I have to do, I have to convert the dy by dx, यहाँ पे मेरे को लिखनी होगी, to find the orthogonal trajectory, replace dy by dx by minus dx by dy. So replace by it. So they will get minus dx by dy is equal to x by y. So now integrate it. So what we will get here? So we will get dx by x integration of minus dy by y. And here we will get ln of x minus ln of y plus constant. So ln of x plus ln of y is equal to c. So we will get ln of xy is equal to c. So here we will get xy is equal to basically e to the powers. Okay, so I think this thing will be clear to all of you. मेरे को बस करनी है, देखो मुझे यहाँ पे ऑर्थोगोनल ट्रैजेक्टरी निकालना था, ठीक है, ऑर्थोगोनल ट्रैजेक्टरी निकालना था. सो हमने वही करा कि यहाँ पे बस इसको पहले डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन हमने बनाया एंड जैसे हम अपनी डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन बन गई, we just convert those dy by dx to minus dx by dy and then we get to the final result. Okay, so now let's move on to the next problem, which is something like x square plus y square minus 2 of ay is equal to 0. X square plus y minus a square is equal to a square. Okay, so what we have to do here is first we have to find a differential equation. So differentiate it. So we'll get 2x 2y y dash minus 2a y dash is equal to 0. So here we'll get 2 of xy by x square minus y square is equal to dy by dx. And this is our equation number 1. To find the OT, replace dy by dx with minus dx by dy. So what we will get here, we'll get minus dx by dy is equal to 2 of xy by x square minus y square. And so here we get dy by dx is equal to nothing but y square minus y square minus x square by 2 of x square. And now this is actually a differential homogeneous differential equation. Okay, so what we have to do here is just substitute y is equal to tx. So we will get dy by dx x dt by dx plus t. Okay, so just replace it by that. We actually already deal with this kind of things, so it is not a problem of things, right? Now we can write this as dy by dx as, okay, so let me write it here. So what we will get, t plus x dt by dx is equal to t square minus 1 by 2t. So here we will get x of dt by dx is equal to t square minus 1 by 2t minus t, right? So now what we will get from here, we'll get x of dt by dx is equal to t square minus 1 minus 2t square by 2t. And now it's time to integrate. So now integrate the thing. So what we'll get, 2t t square plus 1 dt is equal to minus of dx by x. So when we integrate this, what we will get in actually, we'll get ln of t square plus 1 is equal to ln of k by x. So we'll get x square plus y square by x square is equal to k by x. So that's imply we'll get the final general solution will be x square plus y square is equal to kx. Okay. अब यहाँ पे एक चीज को आपने ध्यान देना है कि लाइक जो भी अपन ऑर्थोगोनल ट्रैजेक्टरीज यहाँ पे फाइंड कर रहे हैं, सो लेट अस सपोज कि आवर कर्व इज समथिंग लुक लाइक दिस. These are some parallel lines. Okay, and these are our trajectories. which cuts the each curves at the 90 degree, है ना, जो कि each and every single curve को कैसे काट रहा है 90 डिग्री पे, है ना. So what I'm trying to do here is कि this is also a family of curves and these are also the family of curves. So both were एक दूसरे का क्या है कि orthogonal trajectory. If we take this curve, this family of curve as a original differential equation and try to find its orthogonal trajectory, so we will get this curve, this this general curve. Okay, so these both are orthogonal to each other, है ना. So this thing we have to take in mind. Now let's move on to the next problem, which is something like let me write it here. The third problem, which is like y square is equal to 4 into x minus a. So here will be the differential equation, which is something equal to dy by dx is equal to 4 times of x minus a. So what we will get here? Okay, I think I do simple mistake here. So we will get 2 by y. 2 by y. So for orthogonal trajectory, we have to solve the differential equation. So we will get minus of dx by dy is equal to 2 by y. So what we will get from here? What we will get? We will get integration of minus dx by 2 by y dy. So minus x is equal to 2 of ln y plus ln k. So we will get minus x is equal to ln of y square k. So we will get y is equal to e to the power minus x by 2c. So these are the things that we have to keep in mind. Okay. I hope this thing was clear to you. Now, let's move on to the next problem. And I hope that आप सभी जनों को ये चीजें क्लियर हो रही होंगी कि एक्चुअली में ट्रेजेक्टरीज होती क्या है ना. तो ट्रेजेक्टरी है सिंपल लाइक कि जो सारे कर्व को ना किसी कांस्टेंट एंगल पे कट करे तो आइसोगोनल हो जाता है. 90 डिग्री पे कट कर रहा है सारे कर्व को, जितने भी फैमिली ऑफ कर्व्स है सारे कर्व को, तो वो ऑर्थोगोनल हो जाता है ना. So these are the things that you have to keep in mind. Now there is a word problem question, which is actually the last problem. Okay, then our differential equation chapter will be ended. So let me write it here. If the family of curve dy by dx plus xqy is equal to x is cut by x is equal to 2, the tangent at point of intersection are concurrent at alpha comma mu, actually lambda comma mu. So you have to find lambda by mu. So find lambda by mu. This is the question. Okay. So let me try to show you what I am trying to say here is okay. So here will be like let us suppose this is let me make it in a clear way. So let us suppose this is our something curves look like. Okay, and this is our axis. So look at here. This is actually 2 comma beta, and this is our lambda comma mu. This is our axis equal to 2. So what I'm trying to say is the slope of tangent here is dy by dx at 2 comma beta is equal to 2 minus 8 beta. So the tangent equations can. So tangent will be y minus beta is equal to 2 minus 8 beta into x minus 2. So when we solve here, what we get? Y minus beta minus 2 minus 8 beta into x minus 2 is equal to 0. So what we'll get here? We'll get beta minus 1 plus 8x minus 16 plus y minus 2x plus 4 is equal to 0. So here will we get two value. B is equal to 8x minus 17 plus y minus 2x plus 4 is equal to 0. So we have to take the intersection of the both curve. Okay. So it's always passes through 17 by 8 and 1 by 4. So we have to take the lambda by mu. So the lambda by mu value will be 17 by 2. So it will be, the box value is 8 because it's take the just below integer, right? So, okay, that's actually here our differential equation chapter actually ended. So मैंने आज जितने भी चीजें बची हुई थी सारी कवर करा दी, जो भी बचा था, ठीक है, द रेस्ट ऑफ थिंग लाइक ट्राजेक्टरीज, some word problems, जो भी थी, here everything will be clear. So जितने भी मैंने चीजें पढ़ाई हैं, around 10 to 15 topics in differential equation. So now it's your time to solve more and more problem based on differential equation, linear differential equation, homogeneous differential equation, trajectories and all, whatever, okay. And some like direct differential equation, मैंने वो भी ट्रिक बताया था आपको कि कैसे उसको एक लाइन में सॉल्व कर देनी है, प्रॉब्लम देखते हैं, और उस टाइप का क्वेश्चन जेईई मेंस में आती भी है. So okay, that's all for today. Thank you.